Hello everybody, my name is Diamond Alexander and my protein was on Piezo 1. Okay, so I'm just going to show you my protein first off. I did make two models because one of them has the branches and the blades and the other one doesn't really because of the Play-Doh. Couldn't really do that with Play-Doh, but this one is the first model. So I use Play-Doh as well, and I use the pipe cleaners as the blades and the branches. Okay, and then the second model, kind of like an interactive model. So this shows the channels, and I kind of did the cuts as well, the little blades and stuff. And it also moves and spins. Okay, and then the spinning actually represents the beams and the blades opening up to the core. And again, this middle part is the channel. I just wanted in the camera. The middle part is the channel that goes into Piezo protein. All right. So also with Piezo 1, the mutation is origin to histidine. Okay. So I'm just gonna go through a couple questions with y'all just to get y'all knowing what Piezo is and then the functions and things surrounding that. So the normal function of the protein, it has various functions, but it helps with protein synthesis, proliferation under the mechanical pressure, and it also sends electrical signals. And then Piezo 1 is characterized as a transport protein because it causes calcium to flow into a protein through a gated channel while controlling incoming flow. Okay, where's Piezo found? So Piezo 1 is found in the bladder, the lungs, and the skin. It is a complex protein that is embedded in eukaryotic cells of plants and animals. All right. Type of change that the mutation has on protein function and how the relation to the mutation works. I said the change is more active because the mutation causes the protein to slow down the activation, but it also gives it a delay. All right. What is the main functional groups present in the original amino acid side chain? I said the main functional groups are carboxyl, hydroxyl, and amine group. So it's like carbon, hydrogen, and amine group. All right, is it hydrophobic or is it hydrophilic? I said it is hydrophilic because it is polar, so meaning it attracts the water. Is it neutral, positive, or negatively charged? I said it's positively charged. And then how would you characterize its size compared to other 19 standard amino acids? I said it is larger than the others rather than smaller. All right. The interactions that the original amino acid can participate in, I said it can form a strong interaction with water, and it also can form with hydrogen and ionic bonds with the other hydrophilic side chains. What are the main functional groups present in the mutated side chain? I said that the main functional groups are carbon and hydrogen, and this is in the histidine side. The properties of the new mutated amino acid side chain, I said they are polar covalent and they're also large. Is it hydrophobic or hydrophilic? Again, say the same, hydrophilic. Is it neutral, positively, or negatively charged? I say it could be positive and negative, so therefore it's neutral. And then it again, it's also larger, so it stayed the same size. Okay, differences in the type of interactions that the mutated amino acid side chain can participate in. I said the differences are that histidine is more complex than arginine, and arginine is a little bit more basic. How does your assigned mutation affect the protein function, the function of the cell, and the function of the organism? I said that the mutation affects the protein function for the reaction to be fast enough to close the gated channels, and this makes the influx of calcium into the blood cells. All right, so that was a little bit of information about protein Piezo 1. Again, I'm gonna show you what the protein looks like. So again, we have the blades, we have the branches in the middle part. All right, just a little bit more in depth. we have the calcium going into, and again, it's calcium going into, and then it spins as well to show the beams and the blades opening up to the core. Okay, thank you.